Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Citra Wulandari from class TBE 5C, and welcome. In this video, we'll be analyzing the course book for classes X English for high school based on Cunning's Word Framework. Analyzing English course book. A content analysis on English for class X English for high school based on Cunning's Word Framework. Background: in evaluating the textbook English for high school for classes X based on the Cunning's Word Framework, we aim to assess the textbook adequacy in covering all four language skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing, the integration of skill, suitability of material for student level and interest, and its ability to meet the required courses aims and syllabus. Skill coverage are all four skill adequately coverage bearing in mind your course aims and syllabus requirements. English for high school provides a balanced coverage of the four skills. Reading: there are several reading passages throughout the book that cater to different topics and level of difficulty. They are designed to help students develop comprehension, vocabulary, and inferential reading skills. The text appear relevant to teenagers, often exploring themes like social issues, school life, and personal development. Writing exercise encourages students to engage in various forms of writing. For descriptive paragraph to long essay, there is greater increase in complexity and activity providing opportunities to practice accuracy, organization, and coherence. Speaking: there are numerous speaking activities such as reflection and dialogues, which aims to improve communication skill and prepare students for real-life conversation. This exercise vary from structured tests to open-ended discussion. Listening: the textbook offers listening exercise to record their dialogue and passage which are paired with comprehension question. This helps students practice understanding different accent and register of English. Integrated skill work. Is there material for integrated skill work? Yes, this book integrates skill effectively many activities, combining reading, writing, and speaking skill, such as text that requires students to read a passage, discuss its content in pairs, and then write a summary or response. Furthermore, listening exercises are often linked to speaking or writing text. For example, students may listen to a dialogue and then be asked to role-play a similar conversation or write a response. The integrated approach supports a holistic learning experience. Reading material and suitability are reading passage and associated activities suitable for your student level, interest, etc. Is there sufficient reading material? The reading passages are generally well suited for the cognitive and language proficiency level of class X. Students, they are not too challenging but encourage critical thinking. The topic like with student a group including themes related to family, society, and global issues. However, it could benefit from a more diverse selection of genre, narrative fiction, biography, opinion article to engage students with varied reading preferences. In terms of quantity, the books provide a good amount of reading material. However, the inclusion of more interactive reading activities such as group discussion or project based on the reading could further enhance engagement. Listening material. Is listening material well recorded as authentic as possible, accompanied by background information, questions, and activities which help comprehension. The listening material is well recorded, featuring clear pronunciation and variation that reflect authentic English usage. The passages are accompanied by relevant background information which provide context for the listening text. Additionally, the activities help reinforce comprehension and the student ability to understand the content in a real-world situation. However, while the listening passages are engaging, including more authentic material such as interview, podcast, or news reports, could offer more exposure to natural language use. Spoken English is material for spoken English, well designed to equip learners for real-life interaction. The speaking activities, including dialogue and role plays, are appropriately designed for Class X students. They simulate real-life interactions such as asking for direction, making appointments, or discussing hobbies. This stage encourages students to practice not only the language but also the appropriate register and social context. However, including more spontaneous speaking texts like debates or problem-solving discussions could help students develop their ability to interact in a wider range of situations. Are writing activities suitable in terms of amount of cadence, control, degree of accuracy, organization of longer pieces of writing, and use of appropriate style? Writing activities in the textbooks provide a good balance of cadence and independence. Early text focus on building accuracy and control with exercise that help students develop basic writing skills such as paragraph structure and sentence information. Later tasks become more complex, asking a student to organize longer pieces of writing such as essay where they are encouraged to apply appropriate style and maintain coherence and cohesion. There is a noticeable focus on accuracy in writing text, ensure student understanding grammar and syntax. However, it could be beneficial for the textbook to include more detailed rubric or example of longer writing to help students with the organization of extended text and the use of free vocabulary. Conclusion: the English for High School Dashboard for Class X likely meets the aims of Kani's Word Framework for skill coverage, integrated skill work, and student engagement. While it provides adequate material for developing all four skills, the inclusion of more authentic listening material and a broader range of reading theoretical enhance its appeal and effectiveness. The speaking and writing activities are well designed to help students in real-life situations and develop their language proficiency.